Ever wonder why some speakers command every ear while others fade into background? In the next few minutes, I'll reveal 3 simple science-backed tricks that instantly boost your presence, keep listeners glued, and turn everyday conversations into memorable moments. Stay tuned because the first tip can be applied right now. Try it now and notice the change in how people respond. First, master the power of purposeful pauses. A brief silence after a key point gives your audience time to absorb, creates suspense, and signals confidence. Research shows that listeners remember information presented with a pause up to 40% better. Practice a 2-second pause after each major statement and watch attention rise. It also gives you a moment to breathe and think. Second, swap abstract jargon for vivid, concrete language. Describing ideas with sensory details paints a mental picture that listeners can see, hear, or feel, making the message stick. For example, instead of saying, improve performance, say, speed up the engine by 20%. Such vivid phrasing boosts retention and keeps ears focused. Your audience will remember the story longer. Third, subtly mirror your listener's body language. Matching posture, gestures, or speech rhythm creates unconscious rapport, making people feel understood and more inclined to listen. Studies reveal that mirroring boosts trust by up to 30%. Simply copy a nod or a hand movement a second after they do, without exaggeration. It signals empathy and keeps the conversation flowing smoothly. Imagine you're presenting a new product to a skeptical client. You start with a pause, then describe the device as a sleek, glass case tool that whispers through your fingertips, and you mirror their curious lean. The client leans in, nods, and asks detailed questions, proving the trio of tricks instantly captured their focus. You'll notice their eyes widen and attention sharpen. Now try a 3-minute drill. Pick a short story, speak the opening line, then pause for 2 seconds. Continue with a vivid description, using sensory words, and finish by mirroring your own hand gesture. Record yourself, replay, and notice the rise in confidence and listener engagement after each element. Repeat 3 times, each time refining timing and vividness. Beware common pitfalls. Overusing pauses can sound awkward, too much vivid language may seem forced, and excessive mirroring can feel manipulative. Keep pauses natural, choose only the most impactful images, and mirror subtly no more than 1 gesture per minute. Balance these tools to maintain authenticity while maximizing impact. Practice each element separately before blending them together for smoother delivery. To recap, the 3 listening boosters are purposeful pauses, vivid concrete language, and subtle mirroring. Together, they create rhythm, mental imagery, and rapport, turning a plain talk into a captivating experience. Apply them in meetings, presentations, or casual chats, and you'll notice people leaning in, asking more questions, and remembering you longer. Your communication will feel more powerful and persuasive. If you found these tips valuable, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with anyone who struggles to be heard, and subscribe for more practical communication hacks. Comment below with the technique you'll try first, and let's build a community that speaks confidently and listens attentively together. Stay tuned for our next episode on persuasive storytelling.